Guys, welcome back. Konbanwa, herzlich willkommen. So guys, update on DJT, Trump Media and Technology stock, aka the Donald Trump stock. I give you now here an updated chart analysis, guys. I can just say it from the beginning. We are still squeezing. So after the squeeze, which I predicted here back in September, we are still squeezing, but we didn't break the significant price level yet. There is one make it or break it price level. There are a lot of hidden signals what the market makers show us here. So I will give you all the updated price levels here. Everything what I say is of course based on the chart, based on the technicals and not financial advice. Yo, guys, when we start here with the volume profile for DJT, then we can see that the volume starts to really rapidly increase as soon as we break here one certain price level. And when we see when the first big green breakout candle happens, that was here, as soon as the price goes over $35, guys, you can see that the volume is massively increasing. And also the buyers try to bring the price back above $35, and this is not a coincidence. You can see this candle here, when the price went below $35, immediately here the bulls start to bring the price back up. That was here, and it's now here in perfect alignment with the EMA 200 days line here. I don't use that EMA line so much, guys, here for my own trades, but you can see it here in the chart that the DJT is still have support on this EMA 200 day line here, the black line in the chart. Before we dive here into the technicals, guys, very important announcement. First, while I'm doing this video here, one of my hot stock tickers is squeezing right now in the pre-market 109% pump. I always release my hot stock videos here on Sunday. So when you see those videos here, that means that every ticker which I present in this hot stock video has high potential to squeeze. And my mission is to predict short squeezes. Yeah, this is of course what I try to do with every stock, but especially these tickers here have high squeeze potential. You can see here some of the member feedbacks. And yeah, as I said, I just released yesterday my brand new hot stock video. And while I'm recording this video right now in the pre-market on Monday, already one of our hot stocks is squeezing here 109%. So if you also want to see these kind of short squeeze plays and don't want to miss the other stocks which I presented in this video here, then you can of course join in our trading community. Most popular membership which I have is the full package membership here on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits here, guys, and if you click here the info icon in the corner, you get access to the Patreon membership and of course access to my very popular hot stocks. So okay, guys, so DJT, I show you now my charts, my drawings, nothing changed here. So in case you saw already my previous videos, you are familiar here with this chart. And the good thing is, yeah, that we are still in a squeeze, but we have to break here one significant price level. And this price level has never changed, guys. This is $33.37. This is what I call it, the make it or break it price level. We have here a constellation for DJT that the squeeze, the squeeze trigger, let's call it like that, is between $33.37 and this white trend line here. So this white trend line which is supporting the price, I draw that in the 4 hours chart, that's why it's a little bit off here, but this price level here, or this white price line, is supporting the price. And every time when we hit this price level here, we see a massive squeeze reaction here for DJT. And based on what we had, as I said, I already predicted the short squeeze here to happen. I released my video here on the 25th of September where I said, hey guys, we have short squeeze signals for DJT, watch out. And you can see what happened since my video release. We had a 360% squeeze. Yes, there is a liquidity zone where the buyer's stepping in. So the problem is, let's call it a problem. As long as we don't go higher than $50, this means this is just an algo squeeze. This is not a typical short squeeze. What we call a short squeeze is when short sellers get squeezed out of their positions. The short sellers got the lowest possible price here. That was exactly the price target which I had. $12.83 was my algo price level here for DJT. And exactly 1 day later, the short squeeze started. So that is very predictable, or very possible to predict short squeezes if you understand how the algos works. If you understand trading, guys, you can also predict short squeezes. I just mentioned this ticker in my yesterday's video and now it's squeezing 109%. That's why I can tell you it is very possible to predict short squeezes. Nothing is of course guaranteed. Nobody can see the future, but the market makers give us a lot of signals here how to spot short squeezes. If you also want to learn that, guys, yeah, first you can of course watch my videos. I think I give here a lot of information how to spot short squeeze plays, and I will do that for DJT as well. But second and most important is that you have a good chart program where you can draw the algo patterns and where you can draw the levels where the algos are waiting. And now, guys, we have here a very nice opportunity, because TradingView, this is everything here based on TradingView. What you see, you will, every video which I do, guys, is based on TradingView, and also my own trades. Everything I prepare by myself with TradingView. And now we have Black Friday week, guys. We have here a 70% discount on the premium tier from TradingView, though. This is, I think, the best chance that you will get here in a year. That means you just pay here $17 per month on the premium tier for TradingView, and you get 1 month for free. So this is a very good chance right now. If you don't have TradingView yet, guys, use my special discount link to get the 70% discount on the premium tier. When you click the info icon here in the corner, you get access to this special discount link, guys. And this is just for a few days, so be quick and take this chance right now. So, my friends, why we are still squeezing? Why do I don't think the squeeze is over yet? First of all, we have we had, let's call it like that, on Friday it was a little bit low, 16 million volume, but we know that we had here a lot of volume spikes. The problem is that over $33 and 37 cents and $50, the market makers step in and try to stop the squeeze. However, we still have support here on the EMA lines, and you can see that we still closing here, trading here very close to this trend channel top level here. Yeah, very close. So what usually happens here, the market makers, as soon as a squeeze starts, as soon as a stock, or if in that case here DJT tries to break out of this trend channel here, you can see the market makers step in, pull the rug, and then you have very horrible short selling. This is not everything based on normal shorts, guys. In my opinion, 100% they're using here also naked shorts. This is just my opinion, but this is what normally happens. And now you can see, yes, of course they pull the rug as soon as the price start to go over $50, but we also start to find support here. So when we see the price levels here and zoom a little bit in, I know that looks here a little bit messed up. Let me make this a little bit more invisible for you, that we can concentrate here on that. Zack. So guys, this liquidity zone here, this is what the algos or the bearish algos doing. Everything here between $33 and 37 cents and $37 and 35 cents is the bearish algo zone. Everything above that is leading here into some squeezes or even a short squeeze for DJT. The main price level which we have to break to see a big short squeeze is $50.12. When we close over $50.12 with a green candle body here, we have a very good chance to squeeze. And then we have here $76 as a price target, $89, and even, believe it or not, new all-time highs for DJT would be possible. I mean, we had an absolute incredible squeeze here back in 2021 until $175. For now, we can see that besides that one exception here, that everything here between $90 and $50, let's call it like that, is a very bearish zone. But with volume, when we have volume and we break $15.12 with volume, then we can even squeeze here back to $90 or higher. I mean, the market is in an absolute squeezable position right now. We have massive short squeezes here in October and September. My biggest hot stock squeeze was just 854% in October. Just 2 trading days, guys. After my hot stock video release here, immediately this ticker started to squeeze, and in September we had an even more violent one with 1400% squeeze. Here this ticker was absolute incredible in 3 days, 1400%. That's why I say the market is in favor for a squeeze. The technical setup for DJT looks good. There is a potential that we have to come down a little bit more, guys. Usually the RSI, when you focus on the RSI, we need to find support here on the 50% mark. You can see we're trading here at 49.13, so just below 50. This is not a coincidence. Maybe we have to see here a little bit more of pain, a little bit more of a shakeout before the market makers, the bullish market makers or the algo step in and say, no, we want to keep that level here. So maybe we see a gap down on a fake out here back to $27 or even lower. In my opinion, $23.84 is the last point of support for DJT. Below that, I would become very bearish here, guys, because that means the squeeze is over. As long as we trade here very close to 33, 37, we have still a very good chance to squeeze, guys. And then, as I said, the price goes of $44, $50, and when we break $50, much higher prices are possible. Yeah, guys, if you also want to understand here the algo trading, You can of course pause the video and copy the price levels here. As I said, this is everything based on TradingView. You can just use the discount here available right now, guys. This is a very good opportunity. And if you like this content, guys, if you don't want to miss any updates on DJT or my other short squeeze plays, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I would really appreciate that. Thank you for your time. I wish you everything and nothing but the best for DJT. Don't forget, we have a very short trading week this week. So Thursday is Thanksgiving, so the US stock market is closed. There will be no trades on Thursday. So even better chance here to make some money in a very short trading week, guys. And of course, not short, you can also go long. Guys, that's it. Blah, blah, blah. See you in the next video. Thank you so much and have a great day. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute mit DJT. Donnerstag ist Thanksgiving, so der Aktienmarkt ist geschlossen am Donnerstag, der US-Markt. Und ich wünsche euch viel Erfolg. Danke vielmals und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care, guys. Bye, bye.